everyone, welcome to official YouTube channel of SRN International School, Jaipur. I am Maya Sharma, Faculty of Science at SRN International School, Jaipur. Today I will explain you about electricity and circuit of grade 6. Children, in the present day world, it is impossible to imagine our life without electricity. Electricity is one of the most useful form of energy. We use electricity to light up our homes, various appliances such as fan, television, refrigerator, toaster, microwave, music system, computer, electric iron, etc. run on electricity. Electricity is also used in industries to run machines. So we can say electricity become a necessary part of our life. Now question arises, what is electricity? We can define electricity as the flow of electric charge. Electricity is generated in power station and brought to our houses by wires. When the supply of electricity may fail at some places, in such situation, a torch is used to provide light. The electricity torch also works on electricity, but its electricity is not generated by power station. In torch, electricity is generated by electric cell. Now question arises that what is electric cell? Electric cell is a device that produces electricity from the chemicals stored inside it. We take an electric torch, switch it on by pressing the button. What happens when we switch it on? The torch bulb glows, producing light. When we turn off the switch, the bulb stops glowing. So children, electric cells are necessary to make bulbs glow. Children, all electric cells have two terminals, a positive terminal and negative terminal. In a dry cell, metal cap is the positive terminal and metal disc is the negative terminal. If a bulb is joined by means of a wire to the positive and negative terminals of the cell, it will glow. The dry cell can supply current in a circuit for a certain time. After that, its chemicals are exhausted and it cannot be used anymore. Electric cells are also used in alarm clocks, wristwatches, transistors, radios, cameras, and many other devices. The electric cell that is normally used in torch and other electric appliances is known as dry cell. It produces electrical energy from the chemical stored inside it. Now question arises, what is electric current? Electric current is a form of energy that gets converted into light and heat energy. When the current flows through an electric circuit, the direction of electric current is from the positive terminal of the battery to the negative terminal of the battery. Now question arises, what is electric circuit? Children, when you connect the two ends of a cell to a bulb using copper wire, the bulb light up. This is because you have provided a path for electric current to flow from the positive terminal of the battery to the negative terminal through the bulb. Such a closed path in which the electric current flow is known as electric circuit. There are two types of circuits, open circuit and closed circuit. Open circuit, switch is opened or the wire is cut. The flow of current is stopped and we say that the circuit is open. or incomplete. Thus, in an open circuit, no current is drawn from the cell. Closed circuit, when the circuit allows the flow of current, it is said to be a complete or closed circuit. Electric circuit consists of electric sources like cells, battery, etc. Electric appliances like bulb, tube light, etc. Conductor for providing a path for the flow of current like metal wires. Switch or key for opening and closing the circuit. Children, when you want to put off a light or a fan, what do? You turn off or switch off to stop flow of current in electric circuit. The switch that you use for this purpose works by breaking the electric circuit. When the circuit breaks up, no current flows through the circuit. When the switch is on, current flows through the circuit. Thus, switch is a device which completes or breaks the circuit. So dear student, that was all about today's topic. I hope you have understood about electricity and circuits. Thank you for watching this video. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe our channel to get more knowledgeable videos. Thank you.